we're going to make a button where we duplicate this tab on the click of an image. So let's go create a tab called settings. We have a sheet called checklist, and we're going to insert an image. We could insert an image here if you already have one prepared, or a drawing. Let's just create one simple image that says duplicate checklist. It'll look like this, save and close, and there. We have our image. If we click and drag it over here, there's 3 dots here. We can assign a script. Let's go make that script. Go to extensions, app script. We're going to create a function called new checklist. Here we'll take the spreadsheet app.getActive spreadsheet, get sheet by name, checklist with a capital C, and we'll create this variable checklist equals this. And we'll do checklist dot copy to. Where are we going to copy it? Well, we're just going to copy it to this exact spreadsheet, get active spreadsheet. And we want to set the name checklist. Command S to save, or click this save project button up here. Now we have a function called new checklist. If we just hit run right now, we will have to authorize first and then it'll do it. And here we have a new checklist. We're just copying the checklist. Let's delete that. And we don't want to do it from the app script. We want to go to settings, go to our image here, and click right on that 3 dots, assign script. Now all we have to do is copy and paste the name of the function here. Click OK, and now when I click it, it'll run that script. And there it is, a new checklist. Now if I hit it one more time, issue is going to be that we're going to create the duplicate, but it won't be able to name it because it already says new checklist there. It says new checklist already exists. Please enter another name. But it actually already copied it, created a copy of checklist, and then just didn't name it. If you want to add like a new name here, maybe you want to add like a space and plus date, and maybe you want to create variable date equals utilities dot date, new date, whatever time zone you're in, plus 6, comma, and here's a format that might be fun, is 3 M's, which is the first 3 letters of the month, 2 numbers of the day, and the year, all with spaces. Command S to save. If we go back to our settings, and let's click duplicate checklist, and there it is, new checklist, February 24th, 2025. That's when I'm making this video. Hope you enjoyed that. If you're trying to get more automations out of your sheets and trying to make your sheets work while you sleep, subscribe today to Better Sheets here on YouTube.